Hey everybody, I hope you can tune in this Friday, April 7th for First Friday. It's gonna be at a special time, 5:30 p.m., so that we could accommodate Art Co-Drone Solutions and his show, which is gonna start at 7 p.m. And we'll have Sean from Geeks Vana on, and we will also have Gary from Brant Aerials representing Canada, UK, and Europe about flying in different countries, what that's like, what that's all about. And so I really hope you can join us for this First Friday on April 7th at 5:30 p.m. Central US time. We hope to see you there. Now I gotta go take care of something.
Oh, Chris.
What are you thinking?
How many times have I asked you not to fly whoops while I'm filming?
Wait, stop, Kelly, no!
Oh, man. That was the perfect take and you totally ruined it. I'm seriously thinking about replacing you with Kai. At least he's not doing this sort of thing. He may be a bully, but